Man, Team Blue, you better take it home. 24 people, 25 actually people winning. Congrats. 208 for the top winner, and in second place, Man in third place. Let's do this. Let's get a move on here, guys. Good luck. 3x on crazy time there. 3x crazy time. Crazy time with a 3x coming. Ladies and gentlemen. Crazy time, 3x. Let's go. It's the boys. Open up. Welcome to Crazy Time, ladies and gents. You can see my castle there in the distance as well. Looks good, don't it? That's where I chill when I'm not here, guys. That's where I live. You can see it in the background, guys. Looks good, don't it? Decision time. Green, blue, yellow. Choose wisely. And ladies and gentlemen, 300 max multi. Let's go. Oh, baby. 45X's for green and yellow. Let's double the fun for Team Blue here, guys. So 600, can we get it? Man, Team Blue, you better take it home. Better take it home, baby. Let's go. Woo! 300X for my team. Yeah, Blue, I mean.
Like I already told, if you're having fun, that works intention. You're having fun. So, and how do we practice? Once again, there are different schools. Yeah, let's. Okay, I'm gonna do a little brief of the how the or not. Well, hopefully Hetero Play did the bet this time. I'm not being honest. The only thing I'm doing here, I'm being honest, guys. Come on. The only thing I'm doing here is like being honest, guys. 4x in the cash on guys. Looks like 500x. Hold on. 3 seconds. Let's see the multiplier. That's a 2kx. Booyah! Let's shuffle them up. I do remind you that the multipliers, they are not connected. So. No, Hetero Play. I'm happy to keep the convo, but obviously when we're hitting the bonuses, I'm kind of trying to be focused on the game, right? 108 spots, guys. Booyah! Let's have this opportunity to get this multiplier. Come on. Which one it is? Which one it is? What do you think? Is it an apple, or maybe a bunny, or maybe a sheriff star, or a jester cap, or a cupcake, or a cactus? I have no idea, guys. I have no idea. What would I pick? I would pick that target. 8x. No, 2kx right there. 67 players pick this.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.